Warren Buffett had one of his best years ever in 2022. He actually spent $41 billion just in the first quarter of 2022. He did amazing things. He kept his investment strategy very simple. While everyone's running to the hills, he's diving headfirst into the stock market. He spent the most ever, guys. So let's get into this video. Like it, subscribe to my channel. Warren Buffett spent a record sum in 2022. This is all because the S&P 500 was crashing all year, so it provided an amazing opportunity for Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger. You guys have to think about it. Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger are always complaining about they're not able to find deals. You don't stack $144 billion just because you want to. They couldn't find any deals all throughout 2017, 18, 2019, 2020. That just goes to show you how they thought about the market in 2022. They were actually able to spend $12 billion to acquire a business, Allegheny, for $848 a share. This was their first big acquisition since 2016. So that goes to show you how important 2022 was for buying stocks. Allegheny is an insurance business, so it's right up its alley. Any price that he paid with an insurance business, he knew he was getting a good deal because he's a mastermind when it comes to insurance. Warren Buffett continued his spending spree, spending over $40 billion in the first quarter in HP, Chevron, Oxy. He was doing so much, and he actually continued that throughout the 9 months of 2022. He bought Taiwan Semiconductor as well. He was also doing buybacks, so overall around $70 billion of just buying stocks and making acquisitions in 2022. So he was finding opportunities, he was finding deals, he was putting his money to work. That's what everyone should be doing if you're finding opportunities in the stock market. Lastly, Warren Buffett went to Japan and purchased stocks on the Japan stock market. He bought 5 trading houses, and this was a very interesting buy because this guy named Takeda actually released an article talking about his purchases of these trading houses. So I honestly think Warren Buffett kind of looked back at that article and kind of knew what kind of companies they were and how profitable they were. From a guy named Takeda, he was called the Warren Buffett of Japan, so he had good insights on what was going on in Japan. And this article was back in 2016 or 14, around there. So this goes to show you that Warren Buffett's always reading and looking out for these companies, no matter where it is. So Warren Buffett's investing strategy was just super simple. If you look at all his stocks, HP, Chevron, Oxy, Allegheny, the Japan trading houses, they all do the same thing. They produce a good ROE. They all are providing yield to Warren Buffett from either a good free cash flow yield or a dividend yield. And some of them are actually buying back stock, and they're all selling at cheap prices. That is all the cornerstone of Warren Buffett's buys. Strong ROE, buying back stock, providing a good dividend yield, producing free cash flow at a cheap price. And there you go. Warren Buffett is going to carry that all into 2023, so I can see him doing the same purchases of these companies. So guys, like this video, subscribe to my channel, man. Peace.